Hello, good afternoon. Sorry, good evening, everyone, because it's about to evening and it's getting dark. Have a look around of me now. I have come here for practicing English. I have got some time, so I thought that how about making a video. That's why I have come here, and I come here for practicing English. As you know, whenever I get free time, that time I must come here for practicing English, for making video, for learning this language. I always find this type of beautiful alone place where no one can disturb you, where no one and where no one can laugh at you. That's why I am telling you. And if you find alone place, then it will be very helpful for you to practice English. And when I was beginner, that time also I used to come here for practicing English. Nowadays, still now I am making video and I am practicing here also. And now I used to make video, but then, as you know, I didn't upload. But nowadays I am uploading video on my YouTube channel. I create a YouTube channel. I do run YouTube channel, as you can say. And now I am making video, and also I am walking on the roof in this building, and weather is a good, awesome weather. And I called my mother, but no one answered me. I want to talk with them because last couple of days I am thinking going to Kolkata, but that's why I want to talk with them, but they are too busy to call me because the season of paddy harvesting. So that's why they are too busy, actually, as you can say. They are so busy, and they don't want to waste that time, because if they earn money in during winter season, they can save money, they can make money for for monsoon seasons, for raining seasons. Because the raining season, when will raining season come? That time no work, there is no work, they have to stay at home. That's why they are saving nowadays. That's why they are saving money for that, from that seasons. And they earn money hand to mouth, as you know. So I thought that no need to disturb them. Let them work, let them whatever they are doing, let them do. And they must be working now, and in this time, I mean that same time. And this time last year also I am doing. Yeah, also I used to do in the field. I used to work in the field last year. That's why I'm telling you. And it's time to 5 o'clock, so they are doing, they are working in the field. And have a look. 1 minute, 1 minute. Siri, no need to play with water. What are you doing? What are you doing, mommy? No need to play with water, mommy. Don't waste the water. And at the same time, I am making video, I am practicing video. And it's time to practice English. If you practice English every day, then no one can stop you to speak fluent. No one can stop you to fluent in English, as far as I know. And one more thing, that's it. The more love, the more learn, the more practice, the more learn. And no need to think about people, what people are think about you. Because always people always think the negative, and you have to change it in positive. So no need to think about it. Don't think their opinion, and also don't think what people are saying. And I also feel it, because whenever I try to speak English in front my relative, my family member, as you can say, but that time they are telling me, you are trying to speak English, you are trying to learn this language. What use of learning this language? What use of speaking English? You want to be a principal sir, principal madam, so that's why you are learning this language. I mean, they are comment, they are passed me bad comment, as you can say. They are always backbiting about me. I know it, but I don't care. Who doesn't care about it? And that's why I'm thinking no need to think about this type of problem, and no need to think their opinion. What are they thinking about you? You should go, we should play, we should work, and we should focus on the only on work. No need to don't think about their opinion, I think. And got a call from my mother, as you can say. I real I mention you, I got a call from my mother. It has been past 3-5 days, yes, but I will call after 5 minutes, after 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I will call them again. And do you really, are you trying of speaking English? Please comment me, because I have a made of mind for practicing English. I have a made of mind for learning this language. Have a look, really weather, natural, is beautiful. If you visit here, then you can find everywhere naturally beauty. It will take your heart away, as far as I know. Please visit. Now, as you know, I am in the Hyderabad, and I have been living Hyderabad for 3 years. So it's a beautiful, yes, really, it's a beautiful, mind-blowing, nice place. I have got fancy, as you can say. Who are loves to natural beauty, please comment me. I also, who doesn't love, actually, as you can say, everyone loves natural beauty. And I started do, sorry, when I was student, that time I am scolded from my tuition teacher, class teacher. That time they were telling me what the use of doing work. You have to focus on only on your study, only on study. You have to focus on it. Otherwise, because I used to work in the field, it was my part of life, as you can say, that time when I was student, that time. And I can't continue my study because of money. So after being mother, as you can see, after being mother, I want to learn this language again. So that's why I'm started, and that's why I'm practicing English every day. That's why I'm learning English every day. That time my class teacher and tuition teacher, that time they were telling me, you nothing can be of you, nothing can be you, nothing can be of you, as you can say. But really, ever ever since I started watching some English relative video, watching some English spoken English relative video, nowadays really I feel I am improving and my skill is improving. I can speak English, not very well, but I try to speak English. I would like to speak English. I will be speaking English. So actually, I have made up my mind, cause lost toss or cause I will learn this language, as you can say. So bye bye, see you again, and don't forget to share my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It's getting dark and cool breeze is blowing, so I have to go downstairs. It's getting evening, and I am very hungry, so I would like to eat something. Have a look, what called it is a puff rice, and I love to eat as breakfast. Who are love to eat, please comment me, because who are Bengali, then they know it very well. Without it we are not living. Without it we are not staying. It's a mouth watering. After see it, really my mouth is watering after seeing it. Then I will mixing and eat have a look. Cucumber, onion, mustard oil also here, and I have to mix it, then I will eat. And every morning I love to eat, also snack time, evening time also try to eat. Bye bye, see you next video. Keep watching, keep practicing, keep learning. See you again.